examples I will not solve, because examples are already have solution in your book. I will just explain to you. If you find any difficulty, you can ask me about these examples. Like I will explain to you here. Example 2.4. A car starts from rest. Its velocity becomes 20 meter per second in 8 seconds. Find its acceleration. So first of all, you have to write down the data. You have to open your book. In data, always remember that whenever somebody starts from rest, then its velocity, initial velocity, always becomes 0. You will write initial velocity 0. You need not write full word behind, because it is understood Vi stands for initial velocity. You will write Vi 0, because he said a car starts from rest. Its velocity becomes 20 meter per second. It means now it is his final velocity. So I will write Vf, that is equals to 20 meter per second. Why I have written final? Because he has given us the clue. Starting from rest means initial velocity 0. Now in 8 seconds it becomes 20 meters. So that's why final velocity is 20 meter per second. And time is 8 seconds. T is equals to 8 seconds. I will write S for second. And then you have to find acceleration, A. You remember I have explained to you in the topic of acceleration, you need not write full word, just write A. You have to find out. Now remember the formula, recall the formula I have told you in the topic of acceleration. I think you know that A is equals to change in velocity over time, mean Vf minus Vi over T. This formula I explained to you. Now just put the value and solve. What is Vf? 20, Vi 0, time 8. So divide by 0 means nothing, 20 over 8. When you divide 20 by 8, your answer is 2.5. 2.5. And what is the unit? Meter per second square. Always remember the unit of acceleration, meter per second square. So it is the answer. This example is also solved in your book. Okay. Next I will not solve, because I explained to you these terms, how Vi for initial, Vi for final, T for time, A for acceleration. Next is 2.5. Find the retardation. What is meant by retardation? Whenever the word retardation comes, at once your mind goes toward the negative acceleration. He is asking us negative acceleration. And remember that negative acceleration answer always come in minus, negative. Produced when a car moving at a velocity of 30 meter per second slows down uniformly to 15 meter per second in 5 seconds. Now what is the initial velocity? 30 meter per second initial velocity they are given. You will write now Vi 30 meter per second. Next, slows down uniformly to 15 meter per second. Notice down, whenever somebody slows down, it means retardation is there. So Vf here is now 15 meter per second. You will write Vf 15 meter per second. Then in 30 seconds, for T you will write here 30 seconds. And what you have to find out? Time. He has asked you find retardation and acceleration. So for acceleration, again you have to use this formula, A is equal to Vf minus V over T. But first of all you have to find the time. So time they have given to you, just put the value and find the acceleration. Answer must be in negative. Okay, I think you will solve it, because this example is already solved in the book. So that's why if you find any problem, you can discuss with me. That's